welcome back to my channel, and today I have a 30-minute cleaning video for you. This video we're going to tackle the whole house and get it ready for those last minute guests that come into town or that are going to be visiting throughout the next few months. I have 30 minutes. I'm going to set the timer and show you what I do to kind of get my house kind of in order so I feel okay that everything's put in its place, somewhat decent before those uninvited guests show up. So let's go ahead and get started.
I know you've all been in the same boat as me with out-of-town guests just showing up unannounced, and you have 30 minutes to get your house in order. First things first, we're going to tackle the entryway. Within 5 minutes, we're going to remove all the dust and debris by a vacuum or a broom and put away any of the extra coats and shoes to provide some room for our guests and their items. One thing I've learned with owning my home for almost 18 years and having family and friends scattered all over planet Earth is I don't like to be stressed out when family and friends come over unannounced. I want it to be very raw, an opportunity for us to reunite and to laugh. And I just figure there's more things to stress about and to worry about than spending time, even if it's last minute, with people you really truly enjoy spending time with. Next thing's next, and I'm moving on to the living room or my main living space. I am basically dusting all of the surfaces that are exposed to my guests, and with that being said, fluffing all of my pillows and taking all of the blankets we love to use when we're watching America's Got Talent and storing those away. It is amazing how much you can get done in 30 minutes. However, the next 10 minutes I am in my kitchen. I am tackling all of my countertops, and yes, I do have a lot, and I am getting them done within the 10 minutes. I'm going to disinfect my sink, spot clean my microwave and stove, and apparently I have to hit up my toaster oven because I think I've gained every crumb in my area code, and it all needs to go before my guests arrive. Lastly but not least, we're tackling the bathrooms. I am basically taking a glass cleaner and cleaning all of the mirrors, and I am using my Lysol wipes to wipe down the sinks and toilets. And please do not forget to take out the trash when guests come.
We have the house ready for those unexpected guests. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you love videos about cooking, cleaning, organization, DIYs, and living affordably and healthy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I do tons of videos like that. I love to have you come follow along in the journey. I love to learn from you and grow from you. In the comments below, I'd love for you to tell me some things that you do to get ready for unexpected guests and get your home ready for those loving people that come and visit you unannounced. So go ahead and let me know. I hope to see you guys real soon, and I hope you're having a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you real soon.